Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate quickly. First, gather your essential ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, and a fat such as coconut oil or butter. Precision in measuring is key for a delicious outcome. You will also need a double boiler or a microwave to gently melt your ingredients, ensuring a smooth, lump-free mixture. This initial step sets the foundation for your homemade treat. Next, gently melt your chosen fat, like coconut oil, over low heat using a double boiler, or in short bursts in the microwave. Once melted, gradually whisk in the cocoa powder and sugar until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. For an extra layer of depth, consider adding a tiny pinch of salt. It truly enhances the chocolate's natural richness. Now for the fun part, flavoring. You can add a few drops of vanilla extract, peppermint, or even orange zest to customize your chocolate. Once flavored, quickly pour the warm mixture into silicone molds or spread it thinly onto parchment paper. Place it in the refrigerator for approximately 30 minutes, and your chocolate will be perfectly set and ready to enjoy. Your delicious, homemade chocolate is now ready. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. Feel free to get creative with toppings next time, perhaps adding chopped nuts, dried fruit, or a sprinkle of sea salt before it sets. Enjoy your quick and satisfying chocolate creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.